Welcome back to Tradeprofx. Today is another amazing video, and it's been long, it's been some time. So we have upgraded the multi bot marketplace under the Rise and Fall Turbo, and when you just connect, you'll get two bots. That's the Jasiri strategy with the recovery mode. So you can either trade based on over 2 and under 7, and then you can also trade over 3 and under 6. So you can see the last digits, what is it will be analyzing. Then we have the recovery mode, we have these ones. So you can either choose from whatever you want. So you can like say you want to recover using over under or rise and fall, so any of them. So I'll just choose like that over under using the last 7 count. So from here, what you have to do, you can then click the enable martingale. You see when I click it, it goes dull, but when I click it again, it becomes well visible. So you just start running your bot. So let's target for the reason of it won't stop at 5. It's because I've not given that, maybe because of the in case of or any losses, it will be based on the PL here, on the P and L. So that is where it will stop. But if you see you have gotten 5 USD and above, you can stop your bot. So you can see what is happening. It's detecting all the markets. So when we click here, you'll note that it is trading different markets. As you can see, this is the different market from that one, that one, that one. So it executes different markets based on the analysis on what is making all the conditions have aligned. So any market that has aligned, that's where it will take trades on. So you can see how it is happening. So if you need a 1 USD, you can just execute your trades like that. You can see. So the recovery mode is up to you to change whatever you want. So for me, I want a 5 USD. So the 5 USD was to for me to reach around 56. So let's see what happens. You can see what is happening. This is the newest bot that you can maybe operate. You can trade either over 2 over just as I've shown you there. So test it. You can see after recovery, after loss, it does the recovery, does the analysis still using the same concept. So it checks those ones, the 7. So it will check among all these markets. So which one has aligned, because we believe there must be an alignment on all the most trades. So it will be picking trades based on that. So as we have said, the target is at 5 USD, and then we call it a day. So you can always do this now based on sessions. So you can always test. The bot is under the rise and fall turbo. So test it. Those you normally like staying alert, any updates, just keep trading, just keep trying them. And that is how I will print 5 USD, simple as that. So let's keep pushing. We are at 3, 2 lost, 25 won, 27 wins. So 3 USD. It's a very awesome bot. This I'm using over 1 and under 8. So don't wonder why sometime you'll see digit 9 as the last digit. It's because it's analyzing both of them, over 1 and under 8, and basically on all the markets. So it's trading on basically checking on all the markets which one has aligned. So that's where it is picking trades and then recovering using the over under as the chosen logic for recovery. It's up to you to decide what you want to use. So it is not complicated. So anytime you want to trade anything, just use the rise and fall turbo. So also the rise and fall, it will be happening, but the rise and fall won't show you, won't be shown on the this run panel. So don't wonder what will be happening. You just check at the amount you have, has it increased. So the rise and fall has an issue with trading along the run panel, so but it is working correctly. So we are nearing, we call it 5 USD. So let's keep waiting so that we can close our trades. So anytime, let's see. We can see we are almost, so to stop the bot, so let's wait. And the last trade, we call it a day. So done for the day. Okay, I've stopped there at 4.47. So let's just keep going. So let's proceed. So you can see how easier it is. Let's reach at the countdown. So let's see what is happening. So it's counting now. So let's see what is happening. So let's just keep pushing. We reach at 5 USD and then we call it a day. So after a loss, I've told you what happens. It will do, there will be the trading on over under based on whatever you're placed there. So almost 18 and then we call it a day. So okay, the last one. So we need to stop there now, and that is done with 5 USD. So we are done. 5 USD printed. You can see just because of these rows that we attained here was the issue. We would already have attained 5 USD long ago. So you can test that. That is the rise and fall cargo. And I've told you, you can now choose either you can the Jasiri account trade type has all these trades there. So you can also do over 2 or under 7. It does analysis on 3 digits. Then over 3 and under 6 does analysis on 4 digits. Then the recovery there. So I've already talked about the rise and fall recovery. You won't see that trade on the run panel, but it will actually be executed. So try that and then trade and make something. So this one has no recovery, the Mwangaza. So this one you can see I've written the strategy there. So this one will execute with no it doesn't have any martingale. So you can also try that, and it works on all those markets as you can see them here. So all the markets on the volatility markets, you can test them there. So that is it. This is Tradeprofx. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye. Keep printing, keep winning.